What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tech with Nat, and your girl is back with another video. Woo woo! If you are new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we drop the business tea for free. Okay, first thing first, you guys, if you find any of this information valuable, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, boo, so you can join the family over here and I can help you with your business and you guys can help me with my YouTube journey. And as you read in the title, today we're going to be finding phone case supplies. You guys, I've been getting this question 24/7.
Where can I find phone case supplies? Where can I find phone case supplies? Where can I find phone case supplies? Well,
today I'm telling you guys where you can find phone case supplies so you can make your very own phone cases at home, okay? So before we get into this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to follow me on my social media pages. And today I'm actually going to tell you guys my age because a lot of you guys been guessing. No one had the correct answer. Some said 19, 18. Thank you, boo. I know your girl looking a little young. I'm just joking. But thank you. I am actually 23 as of now, as of today in this video. But in a few months, actually 2 months, I will be 24, boo. I'm getting so old. But thank you guys for playing that game. Let's make sure we subscribe, and right now actually comment down below your astrology sign. If you don't believe in astrology, comment down below your birthday so I can make sure to wish you happy birthday. And if you want to wish me happy birthday, my birthday is November 27th, which is Black Friday, so make sure you buy your girl something, period. Anyway, let's get into this video and let me show you guys how to find phone case supplies. So we're gonna grab our phone. I'm gonna do this on my phone to show you guys how easy it is to find phone case supplies and who you should go to and which one has the cheapest place. I haven't did any research up front for this, so we're gonna do this live. We're gonna do this together, okay? I don't create my phone cases myself just because I am not artistic at all. So first thing first, we are actually going to go to Facebook because I've been seeing this supplier ads advertising sublimation cases supplies that you can use. So we're gonna go to Facebook and we're gonna type in sublimation blank phone cases. So this is the company that I was talking about. They sell a lot of supplies that's needed to sublimate your phone cases. Alright, so as you can see here, this is their website. So we're going to click on their website and see what they're all about. So here, first thing first, maybe you might want iPhone blanks because people, you know, that's what usually people buy. So if you click on Apple blanks, we can see that they actually do have these sublimation blanks. The one, I think these are the metal ones that you can use, and they're selling it for $1.99, sis. Like, wow. So this seems like a pretty good website to get your sublimations from. Let's see if they have any reviews. So this one has 4 reviews actually. Let's see. Excellent product. Oh my gosh. Excellent product. I definitely recommend. Excellent products. It has been seen in the photograph and shipping time. And I think this is a California based company actually, guys, because it just look, I think it is, yeah, it says USA. So these, you're probably gonna get your stuff in no time, especially if you're in the US. You're probably gonna get these cases in no time. They do have a video as well. Let's see their video. And they look like super cute, sturdy cases. Wow. So yeah, this can definitely be one vendor for you guys. So if you keep this price right here, I'm gonna put their website name and how much the price is. So this one is actually $269 for iPhone 11 Pro Max. It might be cheaper for the other ones, the other sizes. Let me see if maybe if we do 7 Plus, or they're the same price. So this website is selling this for $269 each phone case, I guess. So that's pretty cool, and it's very cool that they are actually in the US so you can definitely utilize them as well for fast shipping and everything. So another place you can go to as well is Alibaba.com. If you're not familiar with Alibaba.com, it is a website that that connects you with different vendors that's overseas. Most of them are in China. So their products are also very cost friendly as well. So if you just search maybe custom cases blanks in here, you can see that they also have pieces. So usually when I go and look for a vendor, I either look for the years they've been in business. So you can see the first one here, it says 11 years, and this second one right here, it says 1 year. So we're gonna check on the 11 years one. So these are their sublimation cases. It looks like the minimum quantity though, you guys, is 20 of them. So you have to buy 20 in order to get this case for 75 cents. Whereas compared to the website we was on before, the US website, you can buy one of the cases for $2.69, whatever amount it was. So this looks cute as well. It seems like a good vendor. One way you can check their reviews is actually clicking on the company. Let me see if clicking on the company information right down here, so you can see that they have 4.9 stars. So if you click on reviews, you can see what people are mostly reviewing. Just do a few scrolls so you can see the phone cases that you want. Trying to find the phone case that we just saw. Maybe they don't have a review for it, and if they don't, that is totally fine. You can see that they have multiple good reviews for other products, so you definitely know that this specific vendor is also good as well. Yeah, they probably don't have a review for the phone cases we were just watching, but overall they have a 4.9 out of 5, so that's pretty good, and they have 11 years of experience. So once you go on Alibaba or Aliexpress.com, make sure you look for how long they've been in business, as well as their reviews. So yeah, this seemed like a good vendor. I'm definitely gonna link this below for you guys in the description, so I'm just gonna copy this and add it to my notes. I'm just gonna add this to my notes just so I can leave this as a link below for you guys. You guys, if you have not subscribed yet, you need to, because I'm literally over here helping you, fulfill your phone case dreams, period. So let's find one more vendor on Alibaba.com and see. You know what, let's do AliExpress, because with Alibaba.com, if you're first starting out, I do not recommend Alibaba.com for you, because you definitely have to buy in bulk when purchasing there so you can get your money's worth. But with AliExpress, they're usually, you can just buy one thing and try out the vendor and see if you really want to do custom cases. So I'm just gonna type in. So right now I'm just gonna type in custom phone cases blank and search, and lo and behold, a lot of vendors pop up. So the same tactic that we use for Alibaba.com is the same tactic we're gonna use for AliExpress. We're gonna find a vendor that has a lot of reviews and has been in business for years. So it looks like this vendor also sells blanks here. They do have reviews, but the reviews have no pictures. So, and I think they only sold how much items? Let me see. They only sold 10. So you're gonna look for one that has a lot of oh, these boxes. Oh, y'all see these boxes popping up too? These boxes are regular, but if you're into regular normal boxes like these, that's not girly girl at all, you can get some of these boxes as well. If you like the holographic boxes that I have in my other videos, you can definitely check out my other videos and my wholesale program. I sell them for wholesale as well if you're interested in that. But It looks like all of these are NSB company, so maybe it's a good company. Let's see if we can go to the company actual website. It says that they have 699 items and 98.9 positive feedback, so they might be trustworthy. So we're just gonna take a look at their store website. Oh, retry. Let's say go to store. Okay, so they do have a lot of traffic. You know, they sold 141 items before, and they sold it at you know, 65 cents, 90 cents, some have for $1. The only bad thing, well, not really bad, the only like sucky thing about ordering from AliExpress, if you're not ordering in bulk, you do have to wait like a month or so for your items. So that's the only bad thing. But these definitely have different options that you can pick from. So you can I would say I recommend this vendor, and you can always message them and ask them, you know, what is the actual price, like what can I get for 5 cases. You know, don't use this price that they have set there. You can always message the vendor, and you can always ask them, you know, what price can you give me for such and such. So I'm gonna copy this. You see, I'm giving y'all the tea. I'm giving y'all the real tea on this video, so please subscribe. I'm gonna copy this, I'm gonna paste it in my notes just so I have it to put in the description box below. And while you're in the description box, subscribe to your girl channel, okay? Alright, so those are 3 vendors so far, and you might be saying like, you know, phone case blanks is all cool or not, but I need transfer paper and I need like a heat press to actually make the phone cases. So we're gonna get into that now. If you will go maybe back to Alibaba, it definitely, you can buy transfer paper in bulk, because you wouldn't waste transfer paper. You know, it's not like you wouldn't waste transfer paper. It's not like transfer paper is for a specific model for the phone case, so you can always have a bulk of transfer paper. So I definitely recommend using Alibaba for that. So if you just type in transfer paper, honestly, it's going to pop up. As I was saying, like they have 12 years of experience, so definitely, and a 5.0 in stars, so definitely this seems like a good vendor. And how much are they selling it for? You could get a sample sheet for 90 cents, and anything 100 and above that is 99 cents here. So you're basically paying $1 for each transfer paper, and that's pretty cool. Let me see this video real quick. And that's pretty cool, so I definitely would recommend this vendor. So I'm just gonna copy this to our notes. Alright, so now we have sublimation blank phone cases, we have our transfer paper, and you definitely know you can either use a heat press, one of those old times heat press. I can put a picture here. I'm gonna find it on Amazon for you guys, and I'm gonna link it below. And also you can use is it Cricut or Circuit? You can use that Cricut, whatever, y'all know what I'm talking about. I forget how to pronounce the name, but you can use that as well, those little handheld ones. So you can use that as well to sublimate your phone case. So that is all you need to sublimate your phone case. I will not have a video on how to do that exactly, but I think I saw this girl on YouTube how she was sublimating her phone cases. So I'm gonna link her video down below as well, and let her know that Tech But Not is over here giving her free clout, okay? Period. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, or subscribe. It will definitely help your girl out. And when you guys start your own phone case business, please comment down below your business Instagram name so I can follow each one of you guys. I'm so serious. I want to follow you guys and see your growth. And I wish you guys so much luck on your phone case business journey. Make sure to comment down below video ideas you may have for me that can help you guys. If you are not artistic like me, you can definitely join my wholesale cases website. You know, the link will also be in the description, where you can sell tempered glass phone cases like moi. I give you straight access to my vendor, and you pay the same price I pay for my vendor. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.